Ebigambirwa ha mukoro gwo kuzaguza ekiro ky'ebyokurya ky'ensiyone kya World Food Dome Report Patrol izoba lyanyuma abazyo.
I now call upon our leaders who are here to launch an inspection for all schools. Schools that are using paraffin to feed our children. Disaster. Because now, if children are eating paraffin here, what should that mean?
Bernard Carlos Bwambare, orukora nka Food Systems and Nutrition Program Manager, ahari Kabarore Research and Resource Center, nayongera kushobora hanshongeji.
They are claiming that paraffin reduces on the levels of hysteria among girls. Yes, that is it. Others are claiming that for the boys, they want to control the libido levels of boys. Now these are the myths that we have with paraffin use.
Henry Chimera, okorwa mu Global Consumer Center, washabira abantu baburijo kugumana barwanira obugabe bwabo ahanshonga z'ebyokurya.
To be honest with you, we have cut the umbilical cord the way our mothers cut the umbilical cord off us. We have cut ourselves off the nature that nurtures us.
It is beyond just the food we put in our bodies, but there are a lot of players that are leading to the distortion of the kind of foods we are supposed to eat.
Ahantu abebembezi bahamize ngo nka Fort Poto bariyo nubataho buryo obwo kuma mutindo gw'ebyokurya. Gasha kwa Agacencwire.